Can we? Hey, are you family friendly by any chance?
Family friendly?
Like no swearing?
Yeah, I love fucking kids.
Ah, a mic on. Oh, a mic on. What's the opening, bro? It was heavy, bro. Not.
Graphically, the game does look.
No!
Wait, what are these controls? What
This is really weird to control. Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
MP, what the fuck? Wait, go outside, bro. What the fuck? He's got a bird.
I actually don't want to see the books. Probably Shreks with men.
Okay. Bridges. What's that? Urbanism? He has the
Bridges,
same book!
again. What, bro?
He loves that book. You know, it's really heavy. It's heavy, right?
Oh. What is he doing?
Masturbating? Wait, if there's nudity, will we get like age restricted? Fuck, wait, don't show penis and balls, please.
Please.
No, please don't.
No.
Save the channel!
No, it's wild.
Pissing sound effect, bro.
I can't do anything.
Will they do the shake, dude?
I don't want to put on clothes.
Probably progress.
Bro,
we gotta get
you like that Ratchet and Clank commando mode.
Do his face, bro. Smile. It looks like my permit, like.
Permit?
I almost feel like it's like the like. Well, we'll see how it goes. Why do you keep failing?
I'm failing.
Are you actually just fucking up?
Oh no, I'm just fucking with it. It's just going out. Jack off the orange.
Bastard bitch. Bro, what the fuck are those textures, bro? Pigment.
Ew!
Am I grown up
What
now?
the fuck is what? Did you see that? Is it?
Wait a minute.
Wait, what are those kids?
Wait, I gotta get a narrative critique here.
You were like, am I grown up now? He was looking into space. He wasn't even looking at it. He was like, am I grown up now? I don't know.
What the fuck?
That door is always sticking. Give it a big touch.
Why is it so intense? Don't drop the plates.
It's a heavy rain.
I know I'm gonna drop the plates.
Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
What the fuck?
What?
That's some speedrunning.
I don't know if I already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
No, I missed! I failed! No! I thought circle. I was gonna fuck it up anyway, but. Why is he doing
That's
this?
a thumbnail, dude.
This isn't an NPC, this is a player character. The NPCs are acting normal.
He's acting like an NPC. Bro, is that?
Free as a bird.
What? Yeah!
Okay, Sean, get ready.
Oh, okay, that's Sean. What is this?
What?
Heavy rain.
Oh, no.
Oh, he's dead.
I'm gonna get all the commands. I'm not going easy.
I can feel my kid. Bro, he's getting his ass whooped.
Oh! You're done for.
Oh!
No! Bird! No!
I'm gonna say bird.
What the fuck?
It's not fair.
That voice acting is not good.
Yeah.
At the mall.
What's this
Comic
like song?
books. This audio mixing is fucking terrible. I cannot hear them.
Yeah,
Come on, Jason.
I think his kids go missing.
What the fuck is that?
What was that?
What was that?
Was that? Oh, Jason!
Jason Button.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Walk faster.
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know?
What's up with this?
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one.
Can I say this? This audio mixing is terrible. You can barely hear what they're saying.
It's really crowded in here.
What was that?
Jason!
There's her wife.
Jason! Jason's right there.
Impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd.
Jason! I need to find Jason!
That's
Wait, what?
Your fucking kid.
Jason!
Is that not your kid? Is it glitched?
This is going in. This is going to be a
What?
video.
He's literally. Yeah.
Oh my god. He's right there.
Oh yeah, I remember. Okay. Well, I mean, I know what happens.
Kidnapped by the CIA. Oh no! Don't do it! No! 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 Bro, Jason's such a dipshit. Oh my god. He's a dumbass.
What's Sean, bro?
Bro.
Wait, first of all, how the fuck did Ethan not die? Wait, how did Jason die?
That guy was going like 20. He died. No.
Jason!
Did he actually die?
Yeah, he fucking died.
Okay. Ow.
That's the plot, bro.
Who this? Oh, this. What the
Who
fuck?
that boy? Who he is?
I'm cold.
Dude, that's a nice ass car, though. Well, not really. It counts. It's like gold. Written or directed by David Cage.
I'm controlling the car.
David Cage. I'm not gonna say anything, but
LA, Los Angeles,
this is a shit
San Diego,
house, dog.
San Francisco.
why are you wearing your shoes?
Why'd she leave us?
I wonder why, bro. Oh.
I protected Jason.
Yeah, actually, why did she? Well, I mean, you are kind of responsible. You lost him.
I found him.
Well, to the wife's... You know what? This is critique for the end. We gotta keep playing, you know? Maybe they'll explain. You get it? The origami killer? You seen the photo, right? Or, yeah, that one. The origami killer strikes again, and 7 victims.
Bro, I'm not rich anymore.
Bro, it's the same orange juice, bro. Roasted chicken. What the fuck?
Wait, what?
Yeah, wait, let's look in the fridge. What does he got? Some frozen vegetables in the refrigerator. Beer? Can we guzzle it?
I can guzzle it. Why do you say Homelander style?
Because there's like a scene where Homelander just drinks milk straight out of the carton. I can see why his fucking kid hates him. Imagine you just see your dad in the fridge just going heavy and rain.
No! Wait, oh, okay.
Heavy and rain.
Okay. That's the cuck chair. You know the cuck chair, right?
You watch TV with this kid.
I want to turn it off, honestly.
Fuck you, Sean.
Dad, why'd you turn it off? It was my favorite show. Turn it back on, Dad.
Needs a snack.
Bro, you
I'm not doing anything.
Dude, you are a shit parent. Like, you are an actual terrible parent.
This house
You're
is.
rich. This house sucks. Can't even piss.
This house does suck.
Yeah, let's turn the electricity.
I'm weekend dad. Electricity bill up. I'm gonna sit in the cuck chair. That's the car at dad.
Piss me. Yes! Dick and balls.
I just like exist.
Damn, that was a quick
He didn't
piss.
shake.
Piss again.
No! John. Sean.
Leave me alone. I hate you.
Holy fuck.
Go here. Ah!
Wait, what's the fourth? God, my wife let me fuck. My dick doesn't get hard anymore. He's tripping, dude. Yes!